Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this investing educational platform, which is Finelo. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Finelo, Finelo is an investing education app designed for beginners who want to understand trading and finances in simple terms. It offers site-sized lessons, quiz, and a clean interface that makes learning approachable. Many users like how easy it is to follow, and it's a good starting point if you are new to investing. However, Finelo isn't perfect. Some users report surprise subscription charges and feel the content is too basic for the price. While it's helpful for beginners, it lacks depth for experienced traders. Overall, Finelo is legit but limited, a decent option for newcomers. But not the best for those seeking advanced financial insight. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.